Hello Glam Fam, welcome back to MBGE. If you want to know how to achieve this yummy orangey chocolatey lip, then stay with me. So I'm starting off by lining the lip, and I'm overlining the upper part of my lip, and then as I'm drawing it downwards, I'm maintaining the natural line of my lip. As you can see here, this is how you maintain a fuller lips. I'm using a brown liner to line so as to get a more defined lip, and also, you know, brown liner is what makes most lipstick color flattering on dark skin. So yeah, sometimes I use a black liner to have to, you know, get a more vivid effect. So I'm going in with the So Pro Nene. This lipstick is my best lipstick that I've gotten from So Pro. Oh my god, I so much love it on dark skin. Like, you're going to see the way it's going to pop. Like, in fact, see the way it's already popping. Even with just a little, it's already popping. I've done a review on all of these lipsticks and all of these products. Don't worry, it's coming soon. Trust me on that one. Yes, going in with the Peachy gloss from So Pro as well, to just, you know, add more pop to that orangey vibe. The Peachy gloss is like the gloss of Nene, like it's a peachy orangey gloss, if you get what I'm saying. Finally, I'm going in with a clear gloss, you know, just to add more vibrancy to it. So this is the final look. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video, share. See you in my next video. Bye.